Our today's question comes from Organization Design Level 5. Question on your screen. Discuss the impact of organizational design on the behavior of organizations. 20 marks. Organizational design is how a company structures its roles, teams, and processes to achieve its goals. It affects organizational behavior, which is how employees and teams act, communicate, and work together. A good design can improve teamwork and productivity, while a poor one can cause confusion. This essay discusses 5 ways organizational design impacts behavior, with examples. Firstly, design affects communication. A clear structure with open channels encourages employees to share ideas. For example, Google's flat design allows developers to talk directly to managers, fostering open behavior. Secondly, design influences teamwork. A team-based structure promotes collaboration. For instance, a hospital like Janet Clinic uses cross-functional teams, encouraging nurses and doctors to work together harmoniously. Next, design shapes decision-making. A centralized design may limit employee input, while a decentralized one empowers workers. For example, a retailer like Walmart gives store managers decision-making power, leading to proactive behavior. Moreover, design impacts motivation. A flexible design with clear roles motivates employees. For example, a tech firm like Microsoft allows remote work, encouraging employees to take initiative and stay productive. Finally, design affects conflict levels. A poorly designed structure with unclear roles causes disputes. For instance, a bank like Barclays with overlapping roles may see arguments, but a clear design reduces conflict and improves behavior. In conclusion, organizational design impacts behavior through communication, teamwork, decision-making, motivation, and conflict levels. Examples from Google, Janet Clinic, Walmart, Microsoft, and Barclays show these effects. Companies must design structures carefully to encourage positive behavior and achieve success.